Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to take a look at a brand new feature on the Diamond Art Club website. Okay, so here we are on the Diamond Art Club website at diamondartclub.com. I've just logged on and you can see it just looks the same. Nothing really obvious has changed. But if we go to, for example, new arrivals, and then we'll get a list of all the new titles that have come up, and if we just click on the first one, Mystery Kit number 53 as an example, and here we get the information about Mystery Kit. Again, nothing new. We go to the next screen. It shows you everything you need is included, and it tells you what you get in your kit. Again, nothing new. Then we get to see the size. It gives you a guide to how big it's going to be in comparison to the sofa underneath. Again, nothing new. The next tab though, if we click on that, it will take you directly to the sneak peek of that particular diamond painting. So this is something new to save you going on the website, finding a picture that you like, and then having to find it on YouTube. What you do now is you just scroll along. When you come to the end, there will be a direct link to that YouTube video of the sneak peek of that diamond painting. The only thing is, Diamond Art Club are checking the quality of the videos, and they have to be up to a certain standard. The picture quality, the lighting, the sound have to meet Diamond Art Club standards, so you get a good quality video to watch. If the video wasn't up to par, you will find that there is no sneak peek video. So when you go through, if you see a picture that you like and you scroll through and you get to the end and there is no sneak peek video, it means the quality wasn't quite up to scratch. You will still be able to check it on YouTube, but you won't have this direct link. So if I go back again, we'll pick another one. So we'll try Year of the Dragon. So again, you've seen it, you think, oh, quite like that, and you scroll through. There's a lot in this one. And then we have it at the very end. You get the sneak peek. So if you click on that, it will take you directly to the sneak peek video. The idea of that is you'll get a much better idea of what to expect. You will actually see someone unboxing the kit, showing you the drill colours. You'll get a better idea of the actual size when you see someone unboxing it. And you maybe get a closer look at the actual print. Just a much better idea than just looking at a picture. So I think it is a really good idea. It makes things a lot easier. If I scroll, I don't know how far back they've gone. I'm just sort of going further back. I don't know if they've had time to go through everything yet. We've got this other one here, Weekend Retreat. This is one that I did a sneak peek of a few weeks back. I haven't checked to see if that works. I'm not sure if it's just the new videos, the new releases that have got the videos. So we'll scroll through. Yeah, it's there. So hopefully they go all the way back, and then you can just skim to the last box, and you'll be able to click directly on the link. So I think it makes things a lot easier for people. You don't have to go back into YouTube and try and find a video. These videos, Diamond Art Club have checked them, and they've decided that the picture quality, the sound quality, the lighting is all good enough to watch. So I'm going to skim even further back. Just going to pick one at random. I'll try this one. Quite like this one. So we've got 4 boxes and there's no video in this one. So I don't know if that's because the quality wasn't quite up to standard, or if they just haven't got around to doing it all yet. I would imagine it's going to take quite a bit of time. We'll just pick another one. We're going back quite far now. So again, it doesn't have the new feature, but I think all the new ones hopefully will. So we'll go back up to the very front. We'll try the first dragon. So click on that. Again, we get the tabs. So, oops, that was me hitting the wrong thing. And I've totally went out. Okay. New arrivals. That's taking me to where I was. So if I go to new arrivals at the top tab, it should take us back to the beginning. And then this one I think I was going to look at. Let me just go through. So the first one is the original artwork, the second one is the rendering, the third one shows you everything you get in the kit, the fourth one shows you the size of your diamond painting in relation to a sofa to give you an idea of the size, and then the last one is the sneak peek link. So then you can really see it up close, you get a much better idea of the artwork, the graphics, everything about the diamond painting. So that is it. Diamond Art Club's brand new feature. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, anything new in diamond painting, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and you may catch me live on YouTube Live. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.